Today, I'm going to show you how to automate your cold emails using n8n. So you can see here, for example, we have a full workflow that I'm going to guide you through or get some more cold email templates. You can just say, okay, give me maybe Hormozy style, rewrite these. And then you can actually get ChatGPT to rewrite all the email templates that you have. You've got your own email agent. You can even, for example, like personalize that to the email addresses that you're using or company details inside the spreadsheet, etc. Really easy and simple. And then you've got all your templates you could plug back into your spreadsheet if you wanted to, right? So for example, I could take that and then I could go to the lead sheet. I can take those in like so. We can do the next one. So let's have a look here. What we got, Yeah, let's take that one. All right. And then we can get another email template over here. So basically you can personalize the email templates as much as you want and you just plug them into the spreadsheet like so. The same with the subject lines here. You can say, okay, give me 30 subject lines that are curiosity driven, etc. And then just run through these. So this is really good for an AI automation agency, these templates right here, but you could use them for anything. Like you could switch these around and, focus on a local lead gen agency or whatever you're doing, right? And so essentially, that's going to take the information from the spreadsheet, get the row, get the canned templates. Then you're going to see these right here. It's broken it down into the row number, the subject, and the body, right? And then it's got the line breaks and everything else inside there. Boom. Now, finally, what we're going to do is we're going to code that out. Now, the way that we code this out is we have some JSON that just takes the subject and the body line, breaks it out. The reason that we want to take the subject and the body line here and code it out with the templates is because we're going to merge that together over here, like you can see, and then we're going to send out those emails in a second. All right. And so just to recap so far, we've got the rows in the spreadsheet with the leads. We switch that over. We send that to a Google Sheet to get the canned templates. With the templates for the cold emails, we merge them all together like so. And then we edit the fields, right? So here, this just edits the fields using the JSON. So for example, the body, like so, and it filters out so that you have the subject line, the body, and it sends it to the specific row number. And then from here, we send a message. So I'm using my email address here. You can edit this and add whatever you want, right? So if you click on edit, sign in with Google, boom, you can just one click sign in with whichever email address you want to use.